Hi guys, welcome to Sculpture Week 10. Woohoo! We made it. I am loving what I'm seeing so far with your project progress. Keep up the great work. This week we're going to sketch 5 new prompts, one every single day. We're going to complete an artist spotlight again to become aware and involved in the art world and art history nationally. That means here in the USA and internationally, as in other countries as well. And we will continue to master art skills with our continuation of our Alabrije project. Sketches. It's not Inktober anymore, so now we just hop back into our regular sketches. And we will do sketchbook checks. Not this week, next week. If you're new, this is how to do an artist spotlight. You do once a week, always on Fridays, and you turn them in directly to the Google Classroom. Alabrije project. I gave you 3 choices. Either doing a sculpture, as in 3D, like we're doing in person. You can do choice 2, which is drawing what your sculpture would look like instead of actually making it, or drawing your character, drawing your Alabrije as it would look like. And choice 3, doing a little bit of both. So doing a drawing and then doing a short story about your Alabrije. Now, most of us chose construction. So number 1, and I hope you guys are rock solid. Your job this week is to continue layering. Your Alabrije needs about 3 or 4 layers total over the entire body, wrinkle-free, smooth as possible, so he looks connected. He doesn't look like a bunch of paper balls. And that is all before we start painting. And then he's got to dry. And the more layers you put on him, the longer it's going to take to dry. That's just how paper mache is. Now, if you're doing choice number 2, I have 2 students who are just doing drawings. I need 3 total drawings by the end of next week. You are drawing me your Alabrije, and they must look authentic. So make sure to look on Google for Alabrijes, Alebrije, and those are animals that are blended together, so 2 animals put together, 2 to 3, just depending, with bright colors and about 4 to 6 different patterns on them, so repeating shapes, swirls, dots, so on and so forth. And every single week, whether you're doing the construction, so actually making it, or you're drawing it, you must submit a progress shot. I want to see how you're doing. I don't want you rushing the night before this project is going to be turned in. I want to see you going little by little and really pacing yourself, because this is such an extreme, long project. This is week 2 of this, or week 3 of this huge project. Oh my gosh. So anyway, that is all for this week, though. We're just copying and pasting, pushing along with our progress shots, pushing along with our Alabrije, and I wish you the best of luck, guys. Good luck.